2009 Dodge Journey SXT. I'm about to change the air filter, the carbon air filter, and the oil on this car. Step 1. Step 2. What are those? Okay, all the way down. Step 3. Find that shit. It is right here. Step 4. Take a look at your stuff. Good. 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 And here, we're gonna change that. What's in there? And oil that we use is 10W30. Okay. In my trunk full of junk. Lift this up. What do we have? Lift this up. Voila, the stash. Bam. Raise your hand if you hate these. Hate these with a passion. I'll invest in the other one. Start off with my hand. You will clash and change my oil. Oh shit, I got the fucking power. The car went up a little bit. I hate these. Fuck, what's that? Which one's that going? These, I hate. Always have, always will. Spinning around town. Oh, I'm gonna put this back as soon as I left this bitch. Okay, I finally got this car somewhat up. Let's take a look under the hood with my handy dandy light switch. Here we have our oil filter. Gotta be changing that. Switching my hands. I don't have a container to catch this oil, so I'm doing it the milk carton way. I call it. Let me see. Let me shit. All that oil spinning on me. Let's see. Oh my. You pause it. A quick tip, don't forget to pull this out. Sorry about pressure. Alright. Guess you gotta be a professional for it not to fall on you. Okay, seems that it's done. Now, time for. That's all I got for napkins. Little napkins. Let's clean it up. And now I gotta take that out. What's behind my head? Nothing. Okay. Let's clean this up. Awesome. I just like everything clean. That little thing gotta be clean too. Whoop. Let's get out of here. Tighten it up. Tighten this up. 1, 2. Okay. That's in. Now, time for the other thing. First, just wipe it off. I don't like going to mechanics because they're always up to some sketchy shit. Like one time, I let them change my oil. I gave them what I wanted in it, and the filter, it wasn't the filter I gave them. See? Look at this. Take it on my damn self for raw power. Let's see, grab some napkins. Whew, an angle. Trying to record with one hand. Look at that. Rookie. Protects up to 1 year or 20,000 miles. M1113. A, AutoZone. Right. So here's what I usually do. Right now what I'm going to put is 1030 full synthetic bubbling. So what I usually do is I spill it in here, fills up, so it don't be like a dry start. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, push this side. I pre-filled this.
Good boy.
Where there it is. Spin it. Hand tighten it. Hard as I can. Shake. Shake. One more time. Pump. I had to pour that in there. Alright, the oil has been spilled, the filter has been changed, and the new oil has been, well, you get it. Now it's time for the turn on. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. I have my emergency brakes on. See that right there? It's hot in here. Since we just changed the oil and the thing was lifted up. That's why it shows that error. But that's gonna go away after everything goes around. Or okay, so very next thing I'm changing is the air filter. Then we'll be going to the cabin air filter. So as for the air filter, it's located in there. Click. Click. There it is. There's a new one. Let's take a look here. Okay, so I put the new one in. Here's the old one. It's dirty. Got a bug on it. So this right there is pretty simple. Just push it in. That fits in right there. That goes here. Okay, so now we're replacing the cabin air filter. Starting off, you see that right here? You gotta pinch this off on both sides. Both sides. Then we have access to it. Okay, so now you see right here and opposite side right there. Pinch that in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so after you push that in and take it out, you're looking there. I just bought this car and this does not have a filter and it's empty. Damn. Well, anyways, if it did have one, you would pull it out. Wow. You see that? You gotta take a look at every single thing in your car because you'll think that everything's running just fine. Come to find out, it didn't have one of these beauties. These filters. Okay, so there it is. Have an arrow, airflow pointing down. So now you take this and you put it in there. Push it in. Make sure that the arrow is pointing down. Grab this thing. Click it back on. Click. Click. It's on. Now we gotta close these up again, alright? So as you can see here, there's these things inside. Where is it? But all you gotta do is just push in like this way, and close it. But before I close it, let's put all my junk in there. There we go. Fill it up with junk. And that is it. That's how you replace your cabin air filter for your 2009 Dodge Journey SXT. In my case, I never had one in my car. Last owner didn't fucking change it. That's for me. That's it.